Welcome back guys to my channel. So today I want to talk about Freepik AI suits. Let's see how good this tool is. I want to test the unlimited feature. So let me go to Freepik right now. So all you need to do is to type Freepik on Google and you'll see this Freepik all-in-one AI creative suit. This is what I'll click on. Then having to click on this, what I want to do is to check the pricing. Let's see what we want to do. So we have different pricing right here. Some of the pricings does not have unlimited features, but look at this has unlimited video generation with 2.2 and LEO 2 at 512p, this one at 480p, and unlimited image generation and editing with all AI models. So we're going to go for this. Let me go for this particular subscription, this Premium Plus, and we're going to be able to test the unlimited features. So let me do that right now. So I'm going to go for this. I'm going to go for this Premium Plus. So let me do that. I'm going to click on this. Then I'll be able to pay right here. So let me pay for this monthly. Let's see how much that will be. So I'll have to continue with my Google, and the current billing is 34 euros per month. So yes, let's do that. So here is the Freepik AI suit 2, and let's check what we have right here. So you could generate image, so you could use the image generation. Let's try to use that. So this is the premium version of it that I subscribed for. So right here you can use an image prompt, or you describe your image. So you could describe the image you want, or you could use an image prompt, and you could choose your model right here, which some of the models are unlimited, so you can create unlimited images. I could upload something. I could upload an image and get something similar. So I could select something to upload. For instance, I could upload one of these images right here, and I'm going to use this as an image prompt. So I'm going to just select this file to use. I'm going to use this image, so I'm going to click on use image. Then having to use this image right here is going to generate this automatically for me. It's going to generate a prompt that gives me that particular image automatically. So all I have to do, you could set all these if you want to, and you could make sure your results are more than this, or you could make sure your resolution is 16:19 widescreen. You can make sure it's portrait, anyhow you want it. Then you generate your image unlimited. As you could see, this is the unlimited feature on Freepik. So I'm going to generate image right here, so it looks like what I used to prompt, the image I used to prompt it. So let's see what the image that we generate would be like. So I'm going to come right here to generate right here. So I'm processing the generation right here. So this is the image right here. So to convert this to video unlimited, I have to just click on this, and having to click on this, what I have to do is to say I want to edit this image, or I'd say I want to create a video out of it. So I'll just click on this to create a video out of it. Then it gives me the model I want to use. So there are different models you can use. As you can see, these are credits based, but there are two models right here that are unlimited, which is Minimax LEO 02, which is unlimited, and we have one 2.2. These two are unlimited on Freepik. So for that amount, you get unlimited video generation, and you can use any of these two. So let me use this, and let's see the results so we can compare them together. So I'm going to choose this right now to generate my video, and right here you could see Minimax, and here we have white shots. So an auto prompt happens, then you get your resolution, which would give you unlimited videos for this model. So other models are not unlimited, but this particular model is unlimited. So you can get 6 seconds video, and you can get your resolution based on your image resolution. Then all I have to do is to generate my video. So let's see the generation. Let's see what it generates for us. So now I want to change this to 2.2 as well. So let me use 2.2 instead of Minimax right now. So I'll use 2.2, which is the second unlimited model on Freepik AI suit. So I'm going to use this as well, and I'm going to leave the prompt the way it is. So I'm going to generate, as you can see, this unlimited videos generation as well for this model. So I'm going to generate this right now. You could use this to enhance your prompt with AI automatically. You can get up to 10 seconds video at 480p. That's what this is trying saying. So you can get up to 10 seconds video and you leave your image resolution then at 480p. If it exceeds 480p, you will not be able to get unlimited video generation. So this is me trying to generate the video from this image. Then I'm going to click on this to use 2.2. This is meant to be 6 seconds and I'm going to generate for 2.2. So let me generate right here. So this is being queued right now. So while we wait for this, let me view the video I first created. It's just a pure video. So let's see the quality of video it creates. So I'm going to open this right now, and having to open this, you're going to see the video it created for me. So this is what Minimax, the unlimited version, created from the video, as you can see. So this looks good to me, and here we are. So we have that for a 5-second video. So let me come back here to see what 2.2 we create. So this 2.2, all I have to do is to download this. So I could download this right now. So you could save video and try to save it. So trying to save it now, I'm going to have it saved right here in download. So I'm going to have this saved. Here we are. So you're going to have this saved this way, and we're going to see what 2.2 is. So I'm going to open this right now, and here we are. So we're going to have this right away. So there we are. We have those, and we can just come back here. So that's the Freepik AI suit for you. What do you think about the AI suits? What do you think about the Freepik AI suits, the unlimited models? I think they are good enough, they are fair enough. So you could try this out yourself if you are the type that needs something that can create videos for you and you need unlimited video creation. This is how to create. I hope to see you in the next lesson. If you've not subscribed to my channel just yet, do remember to subscribe. I hope to see you on another video. See you there.